Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy you could join us today. Today we're working on a beautiful summery quilt. It's got some chubby little birds. I think that's actually part of possibly what the pattern is called. It is gorgeous. It's got some lovely flowers and some bumblebees, and we're on the last 3 rows of getting this done. It measures 110 by 98 or something like that. It's quite large and it's quite stunning, and you can see how cute the little bumblebee is here. There's one way over at the other end as well. Let's just take Walt over so you can really kind of see the beautiful little patterns in here. So you've got this lovely little flower here and this cute little, you know, box with the 4 patch there. Obviously another flower there. Gorgeous little chubby bird, and then another flower there. A flower, here's another chubby bird, and then another chubby bird, and then there's a bee. But they're all over the place. Like they're so cute. They're so cute. And of course you can make your bee any color you like. And then it's got this lovely border here. I'm loving the flamingo fabric. I just think it's just the cutest. I don't know why, but yeah. So we're finishing it off. We're doing the summer buzz, which is the dragonfly, bumblebee, and butterfly stitch out on it because the customer wanted that, and I think it would look really cute. But we're doing it in like a turquoise thread, so you really get to see it. And of course you can see what the backing looks like right there. And let's just proceed. Let's get Walt stitching here. So I wanted to be able to show you what some of those beautiful patterns were, just in case we didn't get to you didn't get to see them on Walt. Okay. Now check out that thread. Isn't that the prettiest? So pretty. And the colors are really, really loved. Like this bright green is fantastic. I just love it. Absolutely love it. There's been quite a few little cute bumblebees that went past already, and there's a very cute one, little pink one down here, and I think a blue one over there. It's just adorable. It's so adorable. And it stitches out the dragonfly. Super cute. It's just a really awesome stitch out. I really think it suits many quilts, whether it's got a summery feel to it or not. It's just got a lot of little garden critters and, you know, some beautiful flowers, and I think it just stitches out really nicely, and they all complement each other. So. And it brings out a lot into some quilts too, because some flowers are, you know, definitely shaped in a certain way and just kind of mimics it. Absolutely beautiful. Some tiny pieces here too. The bird's really cute. I really like it. I like how it's built. And I love the mix of color, right? Like all the color, the mix of blocks, and how they lay with each other, and like the turquoisey here is very, you know, it's all on all the solid blocks, and then there's this lovely little filler block in between, which would go together quite nicely when you got your strip piecing there, and then you cutting, and then you got your 4 patch no time flat, and then you got you know, 4 squares here, or 5 squares here, sorry, and then there you go, it's done. And I like it. This is a good spot for a lovely showcase fabric. And that dark blue just kind of brings everything together as it comes across the quilt. In a way, I guess it looks like an Irish chain because of the chain going across, but it's definitely a summer flowery one. The quilt just brings me joy, just quilting it and looking at it, and you know, when I was measuring and loading and getting the backing all ready for it. I'm like, that's so pretty. It's just really a beautiful quilt. I mean, she just does a fantastic job. I like all the, you know, especially that green on the border that separates between the colored, you know, little strips over here on the edge. It's just really nice. I like a fancy little border like that. Sometimes I don't like always wanting to do them, but I do like it. I appreciate it when people do it. There we go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I just love that color, how it pops up on that white. Oh, it's gorgeous. I like it when people take a jump and want something a little, so they see the thread and they see the quilting. They really want. Some people do, some people don't. There's a few colors that we held up against this. It was like a mauve, a light pink, a seafoam green. There was a couple other ones, I think, and this one definitely said, "Please stitch me. Please stitch with me." All right, it's doing a bumblebee. Very nice. And you can see how the pattern works its way around. It starts here, comes all the way down, works its way over there, up here, and then it'll go across the top and then start again midway over here, repeating the pattern. Not all patterns do that. Some start at the very bottom, some start at the top. It's only very few that I've come across so far that start right in the middle and then just work its way around. Beautiful. Very nice. Oh, it's been so warm here. Oh my goodness. To say I'm very blessed to have air conditioning. I would be melty otherwise. I love watching the stitch out. And on that note, we will see you on the weekend project as well as the live stream on Saturday at 1 p.m. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, doing what you gotta do because it helps us out. We greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you real soon. Take care of yourself, okay?